Well, you guys, thank you guys for tuning into the channel today. So we have such a great position, you guys. This position is coming straight out of FedEx. FedEx is paying $14,000 for a super easy, super simple job, you guys. And if you do the math, $14,000 times 12, it pays $168,000, you guys. $168,000. They have tuition reimbursement, full benefits, and this job is fully remote. Okay, so you guys go rewrite your resumes for this job. Go rewrite your resume. Go put your resume in. And I know a lot of you guys have been receiving interviews. You don't know what to do at the interviews. If you have purchased a virtual resume rewrite session from me and you landed that interview, which most of you have done, I am not going to leave you guys, okay? Email me the date and time of your interview along with your receipt, and we'll have a quick chat about what to tell the recruiter, what to tell the job so that you can land these jobs, okay? And speaking of landing jobs, you guys, the shout outs of the day. For my shout outs of the day that I had earlier, those shout outs, I am so sorry. I'm still on vacation, but the new ones just came in and I am so excited for you guys. Okay, so we have Miss Dominique. She has an offer for well, she don't have an offer. She got the job, okay? She got the job for $187,000 as a program manager, you guys. So I am going to start telling you guys the titles of the people with the jobs, because you guys, I cannot tell you where they work, obviously for privacy reasons, but I will tell you their titles. She got a job as a program manager. Miss Monique, she got $163,000 as a project manager, and Mr. Roger, he got a job for $196,000, you guys, as a program director, okay? Program director. And he said that he used the titles that I have given in my virtual resume rewrite session to rename himself, retitle himself, and he says he thinks that was the sticking point and they gave him a job. He comes from a different industry as well, and that's why I say the virtual resume rewrite session is so wonderful. It is so wonderful, especially if you guys are coming from different industries and things like that. Rename yourself, revamp yourself, okay, you guys? And oh my God, I'm so excited. I'm proud of you guys. I'm proud that you took the leap, and I'm proud that you took the step and that you are there. I am so proud of you guys, okay? So let's get right into the inspiration of the day. And the inspiration of the day is I will not stop. I will not stop. I will not settle, okay? Because God has something better for me and my life, for me and my family's life. I will keep pushing. I will keep going. I will do what I need to do to get where I need to go, okay? This is 2023, and like I said, you guys, we are not doing any, and I mean any, we are not doing any repos. We are not doing anything. We are doing abundance. We're not doing anything negative. We are in abundance, you guys. So let's get right into this video right now. So you guys, this job pays amazingly well. It's $168,000, fully remote. No, I'm not going to say no degree required. We're going to get down to that. But tuition reimbursement, everything that you guys need. You guys go pick up the virtual resume rewrite session so that you are able to submit a professional, no work, no think, no pain resume, okay? I sincerely want this for you guys, and I hope that you want it for yourself. But we are going to get right into this job, and like I said, y'all rewrite your skill. Rewrite your skill, because when you rewrite your skill, you are rewriting your life, okay? You are rewriting your life for these positions. So let's get right into it right now. Let's go. Hey guys, so let's get directly into this job. So this is a program manager lead, okay? This job comes from their FedEx DataWorks department. The category is information technology, This is 100% remote. I know how you guys like to tussle in my comment section. This is 100% remote, you guys. All right, so let's read into the job description right now. It says the job description summary. Responsible for coordination, execution, and status reporting of complex, cross-functional, and cross-OPC programs with a large technology component. Leads large-scale project efforts and manages issue resolution across all phases of OPCO operational programs. Leads the development of business value delivery roadmaps, financial analysis, change management, and operational execution. Ensures all project deliverables are in compliance with Fedex processes. Establish and implements project management processes and methodologies for the department. Collects, analyze, and produce financial and performance indicators and forecasts to provide appropriate specifications for and coordination of programs that cross department division lines, you guys. So basically what they're saying, they are looking for a program manager slash project manager, okay, you guys, and they're looking for you to take the lead in their program and project management, you guys. And this is why I wrote the resume rewrite session like I wrote the rewrite session. So even if you are in a different industry and you guys are changing industries, because that's what happened. I had a nurse who was, I have so many nurses. I love you guys because you guys are amazing. You do amazing work. But I had a nurse who was changing industries. So she was changing industries, and what I told her to do, and she landed a really nice paying job as well. So what I told her to do was, I told her to conduct herself well on her resume. I told her to put that she was a project manager for the hospital, not as a full nurse. Put herself as a project manager, program manager for the hospital, like she was managing their nursing program. And that is how she rewrote her resume for program management, you guys. She used all of the skills, all of the experiences that I included, and she landed the job, okay? And it's that simple and that easy, because on the virtual resume rewrite session, what I did was I took all the skills that program and project managers do, and I listed their experience, okay? I listed their under every skill. I listed the experience, and all you have to do is literally copy and paste the skills and experience that I put down there and land this job, okay? Tailor your resume for this job. Okay, now let's look at the job description. It says ability to manage complex competing demands while maintaining out-of-the-box thinking, well-versed in agile project development life cycles and or software development life cycles. Okay, you guys, experience leading complex projects, okay? Experience leading complex projects. You are going to have to put that you are a leader. You need the leadership skills and you need the leadership experience. Like I said, rebrand yourself. Rebrand yourself with all of the work that I put in the virtual resume rewrite session, because I made it super easy where it's no pain, no thinking. All you have to do is copy and paste, and you'll have a professional resume to submit to the employer. Okay, now let's go down a little bit more. It says experience leading a product launch from 0 to 1 and optimizing it for 1 to many in your portfolio. Basically, you're going to start the project and you're going to scale the project. That is all that is saying. You guys do not get discouraged because of the job description. Like I said, the job description is easy for you to tackle. It's easy for you to say that you have the experience, because all you're doing on the virtual resume rewrite session is copy and pasting, okay? All right, so let's get down to the next one. It says strong internal communication skills, able to communicate complex data in a simple format. It says bonus points for experience within high growth tech startup, demonstrated solution-based thinking with the ability to break down complex concepts into understandable, smaller, and sequential deliveries, strong influencing skills to guide leadership, business architects, product owners, agile release trains, and all stakeholders to understand vision and resources, strong ability to tailor communication of complex concepts to all levels in an understandable manner, identifies and tracks costs and KPIs, develop and manages communication and organizational change management materials, prepares content for an ongoing executive senior officer steering committee, drives continuous improvement projects to optimize operations and improve productivity, interfaces with third-party vendors, manage risk assessment and internal control processes, develops business justification for operational capacity, and develops narratives for leadership to champion business transformation. You guys, what they're telling you is, what they're asking for is the skills of a program manager, okay? And like I said, this is not hard for you guys. This is not hard for you guys. Get the virtual resume rewrite session. Like I said, it is paying for, okay? So I did that because I wanted to make it super affordable, but this will help you to update your resume, especially if you have an older resume which has not been updated in years. Pick up the virtual resume rewrite session because I have updated all of the skills, all of the experience, and basically we're making your resume relevant. We are making it easy to read for the recruiter. We're making it easy for you to land an interview. I'm making it easy for you to land an interview and land this job. And like I said, with the interview, just call me. Well, don't call me. Email me, because email is the fastest way that I'm going to get to you. So email me when you get the interview. Email me when you get the interview. And like I said, I will not stop until you are in the job. Sam has got your back. I'm not stopping until you are in the job that you love. Okay, so let's go down to the minimum qualifications. So the minimum qualification, it says a bachelor's degree / equivalent. So we don't know if that's equivalent experience. We don't know if that's equivalent degree. It sounds like it's an equivalent degree, but we don't know what it is. So I don't care. Apply, okay? Do not count yourselves out. Apply for this. It says in business or related quantitative discipline, 5 years exempt experience in project program management, experience in the use of project management planning software, experience in planning major projects, including development of project proposals, business cases, schedules, and financial justification, demonstrated analytical, organizational, and planning skills, you guys, and planning skills. You guys, go rewrite your resume for this, okay? Rewrite your resume, revamp your resume using a virtual resume rewrite session. Like I said, you are going to have a professional, updated resume, okay? Because you don't want to submit a resume that is not updated, that is old, it has irrelevant experience on there. Use the virtual resume rewrite session to get you a new resume. All right, so let's go down to what we really came here for, which is the additional information, which is the pay. Let's get into the pay, you guys. Let's go right now. All right, you guys, so now we are into the additional information. This is where the pay is, okay? It says for Colorado, Nevada, Connecticut, New York, California, Rhode Island, and Washington residents only, the compensation. This is the compensation for them, okay? It says your monthly salary is going to be $9,000 to $14,000. So that is for those areas. That is what I'm thinking. That is for those areas, okay? The compensation for those areas. And if you are anywhere outside of that area, I hate this because it's not specific. We don't know if this job is for those residents only or their compensation only. But it does not matter. Still apply, you guys. Still apply. Still still put in that resume, still go out and get the virtual resume rewrite session, rewrite your resume so that you can land this job. Hey, this job pays $9,000 to $14,000, you guys. And like I said, we don't know because they have not specified if it's just for those residents or if it's for other residents or it's for their compensation only. I'm thinking that it's compensation only, not just those residents in those states, but compensation only, because if not, they would have included it, you know, in the beginning of the job. So still put in your resume, you guys. This is too good of a job to let go. Go pick up the virtual resume rewrite session to revamp your resume. Make your resume new again, okay? And that is what I have done for you guys in the virtual resume rewrite session. I'm getting tongue twisted. The virtual resume rewrite session, because I want you to land this job, okay? And Sam is going to be with you from interview all the way until you land this job. So, and like I said, when you guys land the interview, email me your receipt, email me the date of your interview, and I am going to try to get you in for at least 15 minutes where we talk about your interview questions. You have to have our interview already scheduled so that I can talk to you about what you're going to say on the interview. Like I said, I'm only doing my job when you guys get the job, okay? That's how I know I done the job right, correct, you guys. And I love it, and I love you guys' growth. You guys have such a wonderful, amazing day today. Do not settle, you guys. Y'all pour into you. Go get the virtual resume rewrite session, pain-free, think-free, all of that stuff. Pour into yourself, and you guys have such a wonderful, amazing day. See you on the next video. Bye.